Hey guys, this is my homemade squishy update, and I'm just going to show you all of the homemade squishies that I recently made. And this is not a collection, it's just all the squishies I recently made. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get started. So I hope you guys enjoyed my homemade squishy update, and I have a squishy Instagram, and I'll put it right here. It is squishylove10, and I would love if you guys followed my Instagram, my squishy Instagram, and like my daily posts and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed my squishy update, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.